Here in central Indiana, we are waiting for a big change to come our way.
Yes, we still have snow and the threat for heavy snow in our Saturday forecast. This is going to be a high impact storm system, but we've got a couple of things working in our favor. That means some of this snow is going to melt as it falls. We want to get you caught up on the impacts from this storm. 3 to 6 inches we think will fall in a large area. We may have a thin band of even more. Best chance for those high snow totals along and just north and south of Interstate 74. We do think treated roads will be mainly wet under the heavier snow bands, reduced visibility, and even those treated roads could become slushy at times. Highest accumulations will be on the grassy areas, and where we get the heavy snow, we will watch trees and power lines too, just in case we can't completely rule out a few power outages tomorrow. Allow some extra travel time and double check those outdoor events. Again, treated roads should be mainly wet and at times slushy during the day tomorrow. 43 right now, an east wind at 9 with temperatures still well above freezing. That's working in our favor. Pavement and ground temperatures also above freezing. So even as the heavy snow begins to fall, we think there will be a fair amount of melting. Today's high temperature, by the way, made it to 50. We're going to be stuck in the 30s tomorrow, but temperatures hovering right at freezing, if not a couple of degrees above that most of the day, with that potential for some heavy snow. Winter weather advisory from the National Weather Service, 5 a.m. to 8 p.m. Saturday. Lafayette, Crawfordsville, Indianapolis, Shelbyville, Rushville, Liberty, Connorsville, Greensburg, and Columbus. Part of a long line of advisories and warnings as we track this still developing storm system that's just now beginning to produce some heavier snow across parts of Iowa. This will all start to track south and east, which is why we think that heavy snow locally will set up along the I-74 corridor. In the communities just outside this band, Tipton, Anderson, those of you in Bedford, can't rule out a couple of inches of slushy snow. We're going to keep you updated hour by hour all day tomorrow. Future Track 13 shows that heavy snow arriving around sunrise. This will continue through the afternoon and early evening hours. This is 5 p.m. tomorrow. The heavy snow won't completely wind down until later Saturday night. We will end the weekend with some sunshine. Complex storm systems. Stick with us the next 24 hours and prepare to allow some extra travel time if you've got some plans tomorrow. 36 with a mix to the south and that heavy snow band setting up across the central part of the state. 43 with some sunshine on Sunday. We will not be tracking snow next week. 50s and 60s and rain chances on Tuesday.